Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about University of Ghent University Special Research Fund Doctoral Scholarship for candidates from developing countries. So here we can take a look who can apply for this scholarship. Candidate need to come from or have the nationality of one of the selected developing countries. You can see the list of countries. If you are from that country, then you can apply for that scholarship. The proposal must be jointly submitted by candidate supervisor at Ghent University, a supervisor at the partner university. No restrictions are imposed on the field of research. Nevertheless, preference will be given to top that are relevant for development. Only degree students who intend to obtain a joint PhD at Ghent University can apply. Exchange universities cannot apply for this scholarship. The program is meant for students at the beginning of their PhD. To limit extent, PhD students are allowed to have already completed preliminary research. At this time, the fellowship starts. A minimum of 36 months of doctoral research must still be required to complete the PhD. Ghent University wants to encourage more female researchers to apply for this scholarship. That is why Ghent University supervisor can support maximum 2 candidates per call on condition they are both of a different gender. Now co-funding. Co-funding is mandatory with this scholarship. Consult the call document for more information on what co-funding is allowed. In general, the following candidate must be granted by the partner in South. There must be a local PhD supervisor at partner university. A written statement from the partner university is requested stating that the candidate will receive a full-time local PhD scholarship or salary for a period of 24 months when working on the PhD at partner university. Will be sufficiently exempt from teaching or other assignment as to be able to fully concentrate on PhD research. Okay, mobility scheme of the scholarship. The following are the mobility schemes. Student needs to start or end the research stay of 3 to 12 months in a Ghent University. The first research study at Ghent University need to be started between 1 October 2024 and 28 February 2024. At least 24 months of locally funded research in the South must be scheduled in between the first and last research stay at Ghent University. Exemption to the mandatory mobility scheme. Applicant who demonstrate that they are unable to start their 4-year PhD with research stay at Ghent University because of the partner university center in the south requires successful completion of PhD program in their university and become commencing further research activities. Applicant who can demonstrate that they are unable to start their 4-year PhD with the research at Ghent University because their first complete period of the research in the South can apply for exemption to the mobility scheme. So you can take a look more about the exception to the mandatory mobility schemes. And applicant who want to make sure one of these exemptions have to request an approval from the research administration at Ghent University before January 19, 2024. Funding PhD scholarship at Ghent University in total 24 months, and Ghent University promotes receive a pinch fee of 310 per month of research engines and 8 travel budget to cover part of the operational cost. How to apply for that scholarship? Application must be submitted in English electronically to that email address, and in addition to the application form, GN supervisor must also submit the following 2 documents: an advice on the candidate stating the supervisor opinion on the capability of the candidate, and an advice on ethical and biosafety context of proposed research project. The deadline for the scholarship is 20th February 2024, and result of the scholarship will be announced on 15th May 2024. If you have any question related to that scholarship, you can contact to that person. Yeah, Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel, and I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.